Okay, let's talk about this then.
Trump's new social media. Users are reportedly facing trouble signing up. Yeah, it's like number one on the App Store. Mm-hmm. The name of it is Truth Social, and it's Donald Trump's social media platform.
Yeah.
Which there's been rumors about this, but I didn't know how far along they were or how long it would take. I mean, he had a tremendous following on Twitter before he was booted. So it's not really all that surprising that there's going to be support and a following over here. True social media network, developed by Donald Trump's new media company, is now live on the iOS App Store in the U.S. The app was available to download shortly before midnight Eastern time prior to President's Day. The service appears to be closely modeled on Twitter, which was previously Trump's preferred social media platform. The former president was banned from the platform early 2021. As of writing, it is loading intermittently. Well, that's going to be a difficulty.
Well, the website. There's a waiting list.
Well, yeah, but you got to sign up, right? You can't download it right now.
Oh, so it's on the App Store, but not the Play Store.
Okay, so if you
Right
have,
now.
so the Apple Store employees can download it.
No, they can't. They're using Android.
So long as they're not using their burner phone.
That's true. What else about this? Okay.
But you know what, dude? He disappeared off all platforms. Nobody cared about him. This is the move for him.
Well, I think he went into working. It would take a while to build this. So
yeah.
I think probably as soon as you're getting booted, maybe even before when you're getting threatened to be booted, you start working on the thing.
Right. It's like he already knew that he was not, he was quote unquote being censored.
Well, and here's the thing. No longer being president, think of all the ways you can monetize.
What do you mean?
What percentage of the ad revenue derived from this an entire social media platform can he participate in if he owns it?
Yeah.
100%.
I assume he has some partners, but you can just imagine the type of profits over there because
big moves. Well, you have the entire platform, and apparently no trouble people wanting to sign up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine you can
audience.
just engage with Donald Trump.
I still think as far as scale is concerned, it's going to be interesting to see how it lines up to other actual social media because like launching and becoming number one on the social networking chart, like obviously there's going to be a lot of interest initially compared to other social media, which everybody already has. So competing on the downloads list, you kind of have to be a new social media. If it can maintain that spot for a while, it's going to be indicative of the real demand for the thing.
Right.
Compared to other social media that's out there. But what do they say on the website? They say True Social is America's big tent social media platform that encourages open, free, honest global conversation without discriminating against political ideology. So you can say whatever you want over there, Mo. Well, that's what they say right now. I don't know.
Interesting branding here. There's no slathering of Trump anywhere.
No.
Right. Well,
I thought his big face would be here. Wait, I said that wrong.
I don't know.
I thought his face would be all over this.
I think that there's a certain amount of that you can handle of that. If it's over the top, like they might want people to sign up who maybe even are just kind of curious, but maybe not the biggest Trump fans.
Yeah.
If you're just on,
They might like the idea.
If you're just on iOS and you look at the App Store, you're like, huh, Truth Social's number one. Let me give that a check. Let me give that a peek. And then you come to find out later it's Trump's thing, but maybe you love it by that time. You're like, there's so much truth over here. I'm addicted to truth. Can't possibly go back to Twitter and all those hostage situations.
Okay.
Oh, my God.
Whatever else.
Developing.
Oh, man. The internet is such a crazy place. You got to bounce like that.
Sure.
Like, this is how you browse. That's what this show is how an individual interacts with the internet and stays relatively positive with all the exposure to the wide variety of strange stimuli. Like, I'm just browsing, Will. I'm just a guy. I'm browsing.